Today, I will compare 3 powerful soundbar in this video. Dimensions, soundbar, subwoofer and rear speaker. Weight, soundbar, subwoofer and rear speaker. In the box, channel configuration, amplifier output, tested preset, slope, low frequency, high frequency, bass quality, built-in speaker, SPL max volume, DRC 90 dB, DRC max volume, inputs, outputs, wireless audio, mobile app compatible, HDMI compliance, supported file and format, HDR support, display, room correction, auto volume night mode, subwoofer level adjustment, bass adjustment, travel adjustment, equalizer, surround level adjustment, real level adjustment, height level adjustment, virtual surround, input power, thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.